Hello everyone, welcome to Everyday English Grammar for class 1. I have uploaded all the chapters until all the worksheets. Now we are come to test paper 1. If you find any query, then please go through that video. Now come to test paper 1. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable naming words from brackets. First, I need to buy dash for the winter. Here option is sweater. Second, a rabbit lives in a dash, hutch or cage, hutch. Third, a lion lives in a kennel or den. Fourth, we went to a dash last evening to see a play, cinema or theater. Fifth, a dash looks after sick people in hospital, teacher or nurse. Sixth, Paul is baking a cake in the dash, oven or stove, oven. Exercise B. Choose the correct words from the brackets and fill in the blanks. First, Maria has dash 3 dash in her bag. 3 that come books. Second, I have 1 dash with me, pencil or pencils. 1 pencil. Third, there are 5 dash in the basket, pair or pairs. Pairs, 5 pairs. Fourth, we have 2 dash left to take, exams or exam. 2 exams. Fifth, there is only 1 dash in the jar, cookies or cookie. 1 cookie. Sixth, there are many dash in the garden, flower or flowers. Many flowers. Now exercise C. Complete these sentences with suitable pronouns. First, Ragini and I are friends. Dash go to the same school. We. Second, my cat is 2 years old. Dash likes to sleep in the sun. She. Third, can Dash tell me where the library is? Can you? Fourth, Alicia likes to draw. Dash. She wants to become an artist. She. Fifth, this is our dining room. Dash have our meals here every day. It have. Sixth, Surbhi is 6 years old. Dash studies in class 1. Surbhi is a girl. She studies in class 1. Seventh, Dash must plant trees. Dash keep the earth cool and green. You must plant trees. They keep the earth cool and green. Now come to test paper 2. Exercise A. Underline the describing words in these sentences. First, Meeta wore a red dress in the party. The describing words is red. This will not come. Children, here party will not come. Describing words is red. That means come for ahead to dress. Now come to test paper 2. Exercise A. Underline the describing words in these sentences. Describing words always comes before noun. First, Meeta wore a red dress in the party. Party will not come. Second, there is a small ice cream shop next to my house. Here small is a describing word. Third, my father got this beautiful painting from Japan. Beautiful. So describing word. Fourth, my sister bought me a fluffy teddy bear for my birthday. Fluffy. How's the teddy bear? Fluffy. Then fluffy is the describing word. Fifth, the rainbow looks lovely. Rainbow looks lovely. Here rainbow will not come. Lovely will the describing words. Sixth, nightingale sang in a pleasant voice. How's the voice? This is pleasant is the describing word. Exercise B. Choose the opposites of the underlined words from the brackets and use them to complete the sentences. First, winters have short days. Then summers have small, big or long days. Second, apples are sweet. Neem leaves are sour. Spicy, bitter not come, sour. Third, Antarctica is a cold place. The Sahara Desert is a dark place. Fourth, my grandfather is an old man. My sister is a young girl. Fifth, The street is narrow. The main road is wide. Narrow, then wide. The rocks near the sea are hard. The sand on the beach is soft. Now exercise C. Underline the doing words in these sentences. First, my grandparents sleep at 8 o'clock. Sleep is a doing word or helping or not helping word, it's action verb. Second, Winnie knows all the multiplication table by heart. No, it will not come. Comes knows. Underlined is knows. This is not come. Third, I walk to school every day. Walk is a doing words. Fourth, Anthony finishes his homework before dinner. This will come finishes. It's a doing verb. Fifth, Minto cooks very well. Cooks is a doing verb. Sixth, the bees collect nectar from flowers. Collect is a doing verb. Now D. Add ing to the doing words in the brackets and use the new words to fill in the blanks. First, Vaishali is playing with her brother. Second, the ducks are swimming in the lake. Third, I am writing an essay for my English class. The sparrows are chirping in the garden. We are having lunch now. Sixth, Jivan is serving dinner to his parents. Now exercise E. Rewrite this sentence correctly. First, Rimi are a good artist. Here you have to correct it. Rimi is a good artist. Second, I is going to the library. I am going to the library. Full stop. Third, all my clothes am in my cupboard. All my clothes are in my cupboard. Fourth, my name are Arya. My name is Arya. Fifth, the fish am swimming in the aquarium. The fish is swimming in the aquarium. Here is also can come or are also can come because fish is the plural also and singular also. Okay. Now come to exercise E. F. Fill in the blanks with has and have. First, Chiku has a blue umbrella. I have a new cricket bat. Third, you have my book. Fourth, she has a cute kitten. Now test paper 3. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition from the brackets. First, the dog is playing dash the garden. In the garden. Second, Shivani is standing dash the street light. Under the street light. Third, the pencil is dash the book. Near or between. Near the book. My sister is sitting dash my grandparents. In or between. Between. Fifth, the ball is dash the stool. In or on the stool. Sixth, Sunil is waiting for you dash the library. Under or near. Near the library. Now exercise B. Complete the sentences using A and D. Second, Swati is writing in dash a notebook. A notebook. Second, I am eating dash orange. An orange. Third, can you give me dash pencil? A pencil. Fourth, there is dash owl sitting on dash windowsill of my room. An owl, a windowsill. Fifth, the dash rays of dash moon are falling on the lake. The rays of the moon are falling on the lake. Sixth, my mother bought dash umbrella from dash market. An umbrella, a market. Now exercise C. Rewrite the sentence using capital letters, full stop and question marks. First, have you seen my book? H capital, and this is the interrogative sentence, so question mark. Have you seen my book? Second, I cannot find it. I capital and full stop. Third, my mother bought it for me on my birthday. M capital and full stop. Fourth, do you think I forgot it at home? This is an interrogative sentence, so D capital and must be I also capital and question mark. Fifth, I will look for it when I go home. I always come, capital. I will look for it when I go for home, full stop. Now sixth, I needed to finish my homework, capital I. I needed to finish my homework, full stop. Thank you.